How do you say good morning in Irish? When you are traveling in Ireland, you might wonder how to greet someone in Irish. One of the most delightful phrases to learn is how to say good morning. The Irish phrase for good morning is Maidin Mhaith. This phrase literally means morning good, which is a fun twist on how adjectives work in Irish grammar. Now let's break it down. The word Maidin means morning, and Mhaith means good. So when you put them together, you get a lovely way to greet someone at the start of the day. You may notice that the pronunciation of Maidin Mhaith can vary depending on where you are in Ireland. In Ulster, which is in Northern Ireland, it sounds like Maidin Y. If you find yourself in Connaught, which is in Western Ireland, you would pronounce it as Maidin Wa. In Munster, the southern part of Ireland, it would sound like Maidin Va. Another charming phrase you might hear is Daya Gwyd ar Maidin, which translates to God be with you this morning. This combines a greeting with a blessing. Daya Gwyd means hello or God be with you, and adding, ar Maidin specifies that you are greeting someone in the morning. However, keep in mind that while these phrases are lovely, many native Irish speakers often greet each other in English. You will likely hear a simple good morning or hello in everyday conversations. The phrase Maidin Mhaith is more commonly used in formal settings or language classes. You might also come across the phrase top of the morning to you, but it is not commonly used by Irish people. In fact, it may even draw some amused reactions. As a traveler, using Maidin Mhaith can be a respectful nod to the Irish language and culture, especially in Gaeltacht areas where Irish is spoken as a community language. Just be prepared for locals to respond in English or with a friendly smile. So, to recap, the simplest way to say good morning in Irish is Maidin Mhaith. The pronunciation can vary slightly by region, and you can also use Daya Gwyd ar Maidin for a more traditional greeting. While many locals may greet you in English, using these phrases can make your experience in Ireland even more enjoyable.